Hello, this is Rainbow Loom. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these bracelets. They're called the Fishtail Rainbow Loom Bracelet. And these are kind of different from other Rainbow Loom bracelets because they only use 2 pegs. So let's get started. You will need your Rainbow Loom rotated so the long side is facing you. You will need some bands. I'm using blue, black, and dark blue. Also an S or C clip and your Rainbow Loom hook. So let's start placing bands. So you take your first band, mine will be blue, and I'm going to take it from the first peg and then rotate it and place it on the second. So you will get a figure 8 shape. That's the band, you get a figure 8. So now you take your next band and you're going to place it over the figure 8, but you don't have to rotate it. So it will be a regular band. Then take your next color and do the same thing. Take it from the first peg to the second without rotating it. Now we're going to use our hook and we're going to take the bottom band that you did a figure 8 with, and we're going to take it and scoop it over and place it on top. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. So go under. Sometimes you have to move this over so it's easier to hook. So hook it, scoop it, and place it over. Now I think it's easiest if you get your band and take these two with your hook, go like this to scoop both up, one side of each, and then take your S or C clip and hook it up there. That just makes it easier. So after we do that, you can push your bands down, take your next color, and do the same thing like we always do. Take it to this peg, and then take your hook, go under, scoop the bottom color, move it up, then scoop the other side of the bottom. Push them down, take your next color, place it on, get the bottom, scoop it over, get the other side. See, this is where this comes in handy. You can move it over so you can easily get the bottom. There we go. Next, take your next color, place it on top, and then get the bottom color, get one side, scoop it up, get the other side, scoop it up. Push these down. Get your next color, place it on top, scoop the bottom one, scoop the bottom one. So now you should start to see your fishtail shape forming. Now you take your next color, place it on top, take your hook, scoop the bottom one, place it up, scoop the bottom one, place it up. Take your next color, place it on, take your bottom one, scoop it up, take your bottom one, scoop it up. Then pull these down, take your next band, place it on, take the bottom one, scoop it up, take the bottom one, scoop it up. Take your next band, place it on top. Take the bottom band, scoop it up. Take the bottom band, scoop it up. Take your next band, place it on top. Take your bottom band and scoop it up. Take your bottom band and scoop it up. Take your next color, place it on. Take your bottom band and scoop it up. Take your bottom band and scoop it up. Next, take your next color, place it on. Take your bottom band and scoop it up. Take your bottom band and scoop it up. Okay, you probably got the pattern, so I'm not going to explain anymore, and I'll just do it along with you. So just keep working. So hopefully yours is working out okay, because mine's doing good. I took the wrong color. Always make sure you take the right color, or when you finish your bracelet, it kind of gets annoying. Your pattern's messed up because of one band. So a hint for that is if you're using 3 colors like me, the one, I'll show you. So I'm going to hook over and hook over black. That means you place a black. And that's only for if you're using 3 colors. Okay, so now you should get your fishtail pattern. This obviously isn't big enough, but the fishtail takes a long time and I don't want this video to be really long. So I'm going to show you how to finish the fishtail. So you can just pause the video and keep working until it's the size of your wrist. Okay, so now play the video if you're done. So this is how you finish. You take, once you put the last one over, you still should have 2 bands on the pegs. So what you do, you take your bottom color, I know there's only 2, but scoop it over. Take your bottom color and scoop it over. Now you should have 1 band on each of the pegs. It's the same band. So now what you're going to do, we're going to take it off and put it on the hook. So put your hook through one side, pop it up, and then pull it and get your hook through the other side, like that, and pop it up. So now you should have 1 on each, and then you can just take it around, because your S or C clip is already on the other side, and you can take it out of the hook and put it through your fingers. So the last band is through both of your fingers, and then you take the S or C clip and hook it on. There you go. Yours will obviously be a lot bigger. This isn't big enough for anyone's wrist, but hopefully your fishtail bracelet turned out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and say which bracelets you want me to make next time. Okay, this is Rainbow Loom signing